Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you today. Bitcoin right now sitting at about 57,900. We saw a little bit of a pump as of yesterday. We were also going to be looking at a news article here today. Bitcoin's wanting dominance stirs crypto market, warning for crypto market froth. And so we're taking a look at, because Ethereum and Dogecoin have been, Ethereum has put in a new all-time high, and Dogecoin is starting to see a little bit of a sell-off here as of lately. So we'll take a look at the charts here in a second, but let's go ahead and jump on over into these articles and get started, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way y'all can stay updated each and every single video that we make on this channel each and every single day as the crypto markets continue to rally through 2021. And all right, let's see. And also we have our private trading group page if y'all want to join us in there. Links in the description box below, folks. Let's see. Okay, so parabolic jumps in digital tokens such as Ether, Dogecoin, and Binance Coin are outshining Bitcoin, prompting more questions about whether that segment of cryptocurrency sector is ripe for reckoning. The rallies have contributed to a slump in Bitcoin's share of 2.6 trillion crypto market to 43% from about 70% at the start of 2021, a metric that for strategists of JP Morgan Chase & Co. and DataTrek Research LLC may be a warning sign of investors' excess in a range of digital tokens. Bitcoin's warning dominance carries echoes of froth to the extent it's being fueled by a rally in other cryptocurrencies driven more by retail demand. A JP Morgan team led by Nicholas Pangazolu wrote in a note Friday, DataTrek's co-founder Nicholas Colas has indicated that history suggests tokens outside of Bitcoin can drop pretty quickly when Bitcoin's share hits 40%. Plenty of commentators have been fretting for some time that a stimulus-fueled peak is at hand in cryptocurrencies, only to see them rally even more. But worry is hard to shake in a sector that defies traditional investment analysts. Yeah. And so, yeah, the people that are saying, oh, it's at the peak and it still hasn't peaked out yet. Broken record here. I guess this is a chart that we can reference. Digital token Ether hits another peak, breaching $4,000 for the first time. And this is, I guess, a ratio Ether to Bitcoin. So yeah, even the Ether to Bitcoin is just continuing to skyrocket as we've seen Ether take this nice big rally to the upside. The share of the largest cryptocurrency could be declining because investors are getting more comfortable with a wider array of tokens. Alternatively, retail traders may be chasing quick speculative gains. Even if you don't invest in the space, this is worth tracking. DataTrek's Colas wrote in a recent note. He added that with more than $2 trillion now invested in virtual currencies, a meaningful reset lower could also affect more traditional financial assets like equities. For the JP Morgan team, the possible retail-driven froth in cryptocurrencies is a reminder of late 2017 when crypto boom peaked. Ether's record. Among the most notable moves in crypto market Monday was Ether's jump past $4,000 for the first time after a climb of more than 2,000% in the past year. The JP Morgan team said an analyst of activity on the affiliated Ethereum blockchain suggests a lower fair value of about $1,000 of token. Dogecoin, which started as a joke in 2013 but now dominating internet meme, is sitting at on 20,000% advance in the past year, captured the headlines over the weekend. First off, billionaire Elon Musk cited the token again. The time is a Mautered television appearance in the U.S. show Saturday Night Live. Later emerged that cryptocurrency is apparently being used to pay for a lunar satellite launch with SpaceX, Musk's commercial rocket firm. Doge used to pay for lunar satellite mission with SpaceX. Bitcoin was up 1.7% Monday at about $58,800 as of 8:30 a.m. in London. The largest cryptocurrency remains some way shy of April's record of 64,800 after a pullback. So yeah, we're seeing that, now it's like the alt season as of right now too, folks, and we're seeing Ethereum put in new all-time highs and Bitcoin kind of just moving sideways as of right now. So let's go ahead and jump on over into the charts and see what's happening over there. All right, so I did want to take a look at the daily here. Daily still kind of hovering in this area as of right now, just consolidating out to the side. Nothing crazy for Bitcoin as of right now. Still sitting at about $58,000, and we are starting to see somewhat of a resistance trend line being put up above here, some type of an ascending wedge pattern here that could be forming. And then market Cipher on the daily chart, still see our VWAPs kind of headed to the sideways movement momentum, still in an upward trajectory, but it's still kind of moving off to the side. Money flow is thinning out, so we need to be prepared just to see a lot of volatility probably in the market for the next couple of weeks maybe or so. Jumping lower into the 6-hour time frame, what I am seeing here is we can zoom in to our candles, and we can also see that there's a resistance trend line being formed above here, but it is in a sloping upwards pattern. That's why I think we're forming some type of maybe ascending wedge pattern being formed here, headed to the upside. So we could definitely start to see another move if we break to the upside with Bitcoin. Money flow on market Cipher as of right now on the 6 hours, still hitting an upward trajectory and moving back into that greenish area. So we are starting to see some momentum waves show a little bit of inconsistencies. We want to start to see our momentum wave get back up above that 60% level, and that would be a relatively bullish sign for us to probably get above this resistance trend line, maybe make our way back up to $60,000 or so. So we didn't quite get the move all the way up to 60,000, but we are still steadily putting in a nice upward trajectory triangle for ourselves here. So let's see how long this is going to last for. I did want to take a look at Ethereum, see what ETH is doing here. Let's go into Ethereum on the daily chart. Daily chart for ETH, it still looks really, really good, folks. I mean, taking a look at market Cipher here on the daily chart, we're starting to see our 60% levels still stay nice and above that. VWAP still headed out to the side. Money flow headed out to the side too as well. And I do think that a lot of these institutional investors are just now eyeing Ethereum. They're eyeing some of these altcoins. They really don't see the same use case, I think, when it came to Bitcoin, but to just be a monetary use. And they're seeing a lot of different implementations when it comes to Ethereum and what it can and possibly can't do, you know. So looking at the 2 hour here, we're still holding support above the 21 EMA. I mean, as soon as we start to break this 21 EMA on some of these mid time frames, then we may need to be a little bit concerned. But as of right now, it's still looking relatively good, folks. We could take a look at Doge too, might as well. Taking a look at Doge here. Let's take a look at the daily chart of Doge, see what's happening. Dogecoin still finding support above the 21 EMA here on the daily chart. So relatively good signs for Doge. We did have our bearish divergence kind of play out here with market Cipher. For the most part, still headed to the downward trajectory. Let's see if we're starting to recover on any of these smaller time frames like the 6 hour. 6 hour breaking below the 21 EMA here on Doge too as well. But I'm thinking that our money flow still looks relatively thick here on even our 6 hour chart. So Doge could be wanting to find support and possibly maybe find a rally here in the near term future. I would keep a close eye on some of these mid time frames to maybe that daily time frame, wait for a green dot to occur, and then we're definitely going to be looking for an upside potential when it comes to Doge. So things are looking interesting as of right now, folks. I do believe that this is an altcoin season as of right now. Money flow on our daily chart with Bitcoin is steadily dying off here, it looks like we're more or less going to be experiencing more alt rallies through the rest of May, through the rest of May going on into June. So and if Bitcoin breaks this resistance trend line here, then we're definitely looking for another possible big upside move past $60,000 or so. We're still waiting for our hash ribbons recovery to happen too as well. No sign of a buy signal on that just yet, but we can definitely expect something big to probably come relatively soon. Maybe not so much for Bitcoin for this for the rest of the for the rest of this week maybe, but looking for some of those alts to probably rally. That would be relatively nice. So thanks for tuning in, folks. Early morning for us here in the cryptocurrency space, but happy to bring y'all videos each and every single day. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can stay updated each and every single video that we make on this channel. And don't forget to check out the links in the description box below if you want to join our private trading group, learn about some of our altcoins that we're dollar cost averaging into, and other things such as trading setups and a lot more. Join us over there. We use Patreon as the payment processor. Make sure that you have a Discord username so that we can get access to all the private posts that we make on our Discord server. So with that being said, folks, I'll see y'all in the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.